So the old design broke. I lost the crucible, and also the problem with this one here is that it was too small. It wouldn't hold enough liquid material to finish all the projects I want to do. Great for small things. It's also a charcoal burning foundry. So what I wanted to do is upgrade. Over here, there's Dad, my helper. We got a much bigger pot and a bigger inside area for where the refractory will be built all around this. And we got a bigger crucible. I got two of these larger ones. Dad's cutting one now. So this will hold a lot more material. So it should be good. Also possible, I'm building a real REIL propane burner. So let's see if that works. But we got some testing to do first. Okay, so here we are making the crucible with a handsaw. So part of this is that all the videos online you see, everyone's got power tools and pneumatic drills and all that stuff. Well, I don't. So hopefully show you guys a way to do it. True backyard hand tool style. Okay, so I mixed all the plaster of Paris, sand, and water. And now the refractory is setting. It's actually quite warm. It's putting off a good amount of heat with the chemical reaction, surprise, surprise. But this is much larger. We also realized that just to save on plaster of Paris, because we went through 2.5 bags, and sand as well, because it was just a lot more material. I didn't really sit down and do the calculations. We had to use like a normal Home Depot size bucket, and you can actually smell the plastic like it's almost burning. That's how hot the chemical reaction is getting. But this is already setting pretty well, and as you can see, it will work nicely is for what I need. So can't wait to get it all together. Okay, so I was talking about possibly building a real burner. I wanted to show you the components, really the meat and potatoes of a real burner. So here we have the bell curve reducer, black iron, do not use galvanized. And right behind this flange, I'm going to drill a hole and get this piece through. So essentially what's going to happen is when this goes through, this is a 1/8 inch pipe nipple with a cap, by the way. I'll drill a little hole here, which will face down in. And when this goes through, you'll have the gas coming in, and it'll go down the length. There'll be a pipe at the other end of this. And it'll create a venturi to give you that nice big blue jet flame that you can use. Hopefully that'll work out nicely so we can get away from the charcoal. But I'm going to use a power drill instead of a drill press like you see everyone else online, because I don't have those big expensive tools. So we'll start with the small one here and then just step up the hole to get it bigger and bigger as we go. And hopefully that should work. I'll let you guys know how it goes.